Chupapi muñeño, chupapi muñeño, chupapi mu fucking ñeño muñeño, chupapi muñeño mu chupapi muñeño mu fucking ñeño muñeño.
Nani? What are those?
So yeah, HSU sent me this, and they said do an unboxing and we'll give it to you for free. So I was like, why not, right? I haven't opened this yet. So actually I have, that's a lie, I have opened it, and I'm wearing the chest mount, and that's how I'm using to record this with my GoPro. Nice big carrying case. Oh my god, it's gonna take a while. What the hell did you guys put in here? So they said this is the 73-in-1 kit, which is probably the biggest and most expensive one that you can buy on the market. I don't even know where to start. Whatever this is, if you want to skip ahead, put it in the video. 3M sticky cleansing wipes, I guess. A bunch of these, which I actually really like, especially when they come with this. Clip it on, twist it. I normally just put on my motorcycle glove and make sure to tighten it. I don't know. Double-sided, more sticky, more whatever that is, more sticky, more sticky. Oh, these are for the underwater ones. Very good. Hand strap, more mounts, another mount, another clip. I don't know, looks good. Clippy thing, triple-sided. Nice, very good. Another, and one more. Oh, this goes on the handlebar. They got the fabric bit there, which is really good because I don't want to scratch and damage my bike. Another clip and another screw. This and these little clips, I can never ever get enough. GoPro wind caps, blocks out the wind. A nice longer bent stick. This is the floaty one in case you're going swimming. Another one to keep it floating. They gave me another stick. It's actually very similar to the one. Twist, extend, twist to lock. Nice. So it's not bending at all. Underwater case, a case, protective case. Nice tripod. This is the chin mount, little grippy thing there. These I've actually used before. I've used it in my car. Case to put your GoPro in. Jesus Christ. Wow. Ow. Next, which is probably the last one, and another shoulder strap, I'm assuming.
We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. When I see you
try and do 300 mile an hour in a mile on a road bike. That's what we're trying to do.